Hello everyone, this is Mia from Retekess Official. Now I will show you how to turn off all the pages by just one press. Okay, we need to press 999. As you can see, there are 8 pages turned off, but the 2 left. What's the problem? Because I changed the pager ID. The keypad ID before, so this 2 does not pair with the ID, so I will pair it first, then turn it off. And as we can see, go to the pair mode, remove the pager, okay, put it back, remove it, okay. Now let's try again. Now you can see all the pages turned off. So if you have the same problem, make sure that the keypad ID is same with the pager. Otherwise, you need to repair the pages. So after you change the keypad ID, make sure you repair the pages. Otherwise, all the functions may not working. So that's it. If you want to know more and have more requests, feel free to contact us at support@retekess.com and visit our website. Thank you.